If your machine is showing this error, let me show you how to fix it. My motor was locked and I figured out it's because there was wool in the needle bar. Most of the time, the error usually comes from the shuttle area, but this time around it was different. So the first thing I did was losing this part of the machine. Don't worry, it's something you can do on your own. You don't need to call an engineer. After opening it, you're going to get a very strong screwdriver. Let me tell you, if you use the normal screwdriver that comes with the machine, is not going to open it, so it needs something really strong. So you're going to get a screwdriver and loosen the needle bar. After you're done loosening, you want to open it as you have seen in this video, then remove the cover on it. There's a soft kind of foam used to block the needle bar, so you just remove it as you have seen. The next thing is to get a small screwdriver that can go through that hole, then use something else to push it down, like hit it just as I am doing in this video. As you hit it, you will notice that the bar is coming down, and that's because I have loosened the screw. Just bring it down as much as you can because of the wool. So I'm going to go ahead to bring it down a little bit more because the wool was still stuck inside. Now that I have removed the wool, the motor is no longer stuck and it is now free. One thing I would advise before doing all this is to remove your needle so it doesn't get blunt. We are done, and now it's time to fix your needle bar. Screw it as you're seeing in this video, but not too tight. One thing I forgot to mention earlier was that I took a measurement. So the way my tape rule is, from that under part, I measured where it stopped, so that when I loosen and fix it back, I'll be able to get the right measurement. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but you saw the way I used my tape rule to measure from the top to where to the round edge of that needle part. So I measured it because I wanted to get the actual measurement of my needle bar. If I don't do it that way, I'm going to have a problem sewing. The machine is not going to sew. So let's test it. I tried moving the motor and you see it was not going down, so I needed to adjust the needle bar again. I did the same thing. I loosened the screw. After loosening, then I brought it down a bit to just check if it was going to go through, and I did the test again. So I turned my motor to see if it was going to move perfectly, and it was working. Now it is time to test if it is going to sew. I got a piece of fabric to test it, and you can see that it is going perfectly. The stitch is neat. So now we are going to close up. Of course, the first thing you are going to do is to put the foam, then cover it. Make sure you tighten your needle bar very well so it does not shift when you sew. Make sure it is very tight. Close up the machine properly and you are good to go. See you on my next video. Bye.